Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is a little bit of a different video, something that I truly have a lot of passion for talking about. So with that said, today I'm going to be talking about 3 ways you guys can become successful in 2018 leading into 2019. So with that said, let's get into today's video. If you guys are new here, definitely hit that little subscription button down below. I release videos every single day such as these, talking about phone flipping, investing in different companies, investing in your personal brand, whatever it may be relating to making money throughout side hustles, full-time income, part-time income. It doesn't really matter. I'm here to release content to you guys every single day, and if you enjoyed today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I appreciate the support. But getting right into it, the first way that I know you guys can become successful in 2018 is by building multiple income sources. And this doesn't necessarily just mean you can only do this in 2018, but definitely 2018 is a great year to start this. Obviously there is recessions and stuff like that, so certain people will lose their jobs, certain people will only have one skill set. But if you are able to tap into multiple income streams, you're able to diversify the money coming in and out. You're able to leverage the fact that if one stream goes away, you still have 5, 10, 15, 20 other income streams that you guys can profit from. And so having multiple income streams is definitely a risk mitigator. It will help you guys significantly avoid with one income stream you're gonna literally lose everything. That's definitely not what you want, and that's basically having a full-time job and not doing anything else. For those that are in full-time jobs, definitely respect people that are in those, because some people have a lot of passion for it. But if that's your only income stream, I definitely, especially in today's world, I recommend investing in other things. For me, and I know a lot of you guys are working full-time jobs, I release videos so much about phone flipping, and I love it, and I teach about it simply because of people like you that I know can really take advantage of making a couple $1,000s every single month. That can really go into whether it's rent, helping paying for whatever, if you have kids, going on certain vacations, setting it as a travel budget, whatever it may be. Phone flipping is going to be around forever, and that's why I preach it so much. Simply, maybe phones won't be around forever, but electronics, the idea of flipping something, buying it low, selling it high, learning this techniques with phones right now is definitely a profitable thing. Thousands of people are doing it, and it's something that doesn't take a lot of time. So I'm kind of getting off tangent here, but having those multiple income streams, whether it's through phone flipping, buying and flipping houses in terms of real estate, whatever it may be, there's so many YouTube videos out there. So if you guys want those extra income sources, definitely go research it. You don't have to buy courses or anything. All this information is so free online. That's why the internet is such a great thing. And if you guys aren't millennials, listen to us. We know what the power of the internet really does for us, and that's why I have such a passion for it. I mean, for me, I'm not going to say I'm successful at all. I'm just getting to the stages where I recognize that I can be an entrepreneur in a sense, where I am able to build a full-time income without going to a 9-to-5 job, working from my laptop, working from home, and that's what I truly love about it. And for me, multiple income streams is something I'm simply just starting up, and I'm really excited for what the future holds. The second way that if you guys aren't doing this, it's definitely a way you guys can become successful in 2018, and that is learning social media. And that social media term is definitely a big kind of realm. There's multiple hundreds of aspects that are involved in it, but if you're able to learn YouTube, whether if you have a passion for creating videos, doing podcasts, that's something Gary Vee has been significantly talking about. That's where the future's going, and he has been correct a lot. And that's why I will be creating a podcast coming here soon, probably this summer, which I'm pretty excited about. But creating voice, that's something he talks about all the time, whether it's building your building yourself on Instagram, having whether it's building a personal brand. There's so many different avenues you guys can become profitable, and the way you guys can become profitable on social media is having sponsorships, brands coming to you, giving you their products, paying you per post. There's for YouTube, YouTube, once you get to 1,000 subscribers, you're able to make money off of it. So if you have a passion and it can be expressed through YouTube by teaching other people, it's definitely a great way to make money. And you just make money basically on YouTube by running ads. People will sponsor you on your podcast. There's so many ways people make money out there, and it's crazy. And it's just incredible seeing people on Instagram that are getting paid $10,000 to post one thing, with a stupid little toothbrush or a toothpaste or a little different like coffee brand. It's insane how easy it is. All you have to do is build up a following. Obviously that takes time, and you have to be a certain type of character and have people like willing to follow you. But with that said, like there's so many ways to make money out there, and if you're not learning Facebook ads, if you're not learning social media, you're definitely missing out, because that is where the world is going. Parents are always saying like get your kids off of social media, but for me, like it's so dumb. Like my parents in a sense were like that, but I've taught them otherwise, and how powerful the phone really is, the laptop I'm holding right here, how much you can really do and how much money you can make off of it, which is truly incredible. So again, if you guys don't know much about social media, go watch 100 videos on it on YouTube. It's all free content, and definitely just learn it. I guarantee it'll help you exponentially. So the third way, and something that I am currently working on, something that I really want to get into, is building my personal brand and creating value for others. And those two are kind of tangent in the sense that if you want to build a personal brand, you have to create content or release value to others. You want to have people don't follow you simply because you just live and have a life. Everybody has a life, but it's the person that gives value to them, that teaches them something, that gives them like a free ebook, whatever it may be. No matter what niche you are in, building a personal brand will help you exponentially. As you, like I always mention Gary Vee in my videos. What he's done that's incredible is, yes, he's built a big social media agency, but a lot of that revenue and like a lot of their customers comes from Gary Vee's personal brand. Gary Vee is a brand in itself, but it's just his personal brand. And so you see all these people on Instagram that build their personal brand, build their following to 10, 15, 20, 50, 100,000 followers, simply just based on the fact that people like their content, it's funny, it has value in it, it relates to their business, whatever it may be. Obviously you guys have to find a niche and run with it, but creating a personal brand will definitely it's kind of like a long-term thing. You're not going to necessarily, if you're starting now, building a personal brand might be possible within the next 6 months in 2018, but if you start in 2018, you're kind of like in the curve. It's a growing curve, so if you're getting on it now, and you start building an audience, it'll definitely help you in the future. And obviously I created this video for you guys, not to say that I am like an expert in any of this, but I watch so many YouTube videos, I follow so many people, I connect with so many people on all these different platforms, whether it's through podcasts, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, I might have said Instagram, but Snapchat. I message people all the time, truly just to connect with them, learn what they do. That's really one way you guys can really get out there, push yourself to make more money, learn a new skill set, connect with people, network with people. There's all these platforms out there. You can literally send a DM on Instagram in 5 seconds. It's not that hard. Definitely put yourself out there. 2018 is this kind of mindset and kind of year where you really just have to kind of put it like your risk aside and literally just go for it. I mean, in a sense, there is something for you guys to lose, especially if you have full-time income and you have a family, but set aside a budget. If you want to learn Facebook ads, save up $5,000 and run a drop shipping store. Learn from the best. You can buy a course if you want. If you want to learn an Instagram course, buy a course on Instagram on how to build a personal brand. There's so many things out there, free, paid. Definitely give it a try. And if you guys found value in this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any other ways that are pretty cool ways to become successful in 2018, leave a comment down below. We're all here to learn. Obviously, I created this YouTube channel to create a community, to share ideas, to spread wealth and knowledge. So again, if you guys enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not in the family, hit that little subscription button down below. I'd really appreciate the support. Growing family, get me to 500, please. That's all I'm asking right now. I want to hit that milestone. It's the least least you guys can do for me for releasing this content to you guys. With that said, I hope you guys are having a great day. Go set some goals if you haven't. Go kill them. And with that said, I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.